So this is the zero gravity chair that was actually sent to me to try out. I am doing a voice recording because my voice did not capture in this recorded video. Now it comes fully assembled and it is great material. When I say fully assembled, all you actually have to do is kick out the feet and the chair is already set up. So it's super portable. You can take this wherever you're going, you can go ahead and take this. Now it's quite large. As you can see, I'm sort of standing up, but I am 5'4" and this is quite a big chair. So it's definitely bigger than a regular beach chair. And what I love about it is that you can sit up straight or you can go all the way back to 170 degrees. Now the chair is made out of Teslin premium fabric, which is weather resistant, it's breathable, it's fast drying, and it's super comfy. As you can see, you have these little hooks, which are sort of like stretchy bungee cord ropes, which I love, so that once you sit down, you're not sort of stuck. It does stretch with you. Now, with the chair, once you are sort of trying to keep it in place at a specific degree, there is a little metal circle right here. As you can see, once you go ahead and press that down, it's going to lock the chair into place. So whatever angle you want, you can go ahead and lock it into place, and then obviously unlock it to go ahead and get it back to normal. It is made out of alloy steel and a nice heavy duty plastic. Now, once you go ahead and sit down, you just use your feet to kick back. And once you kick out that foot part, you can go ahead and lean all the way back to whatever angle. Again, it's 170 degrees. And then you can go ahead and just simply lock that in place. So I do find this super comfortable. I am 5'4", so this is giving a relation of what that is. Now, while you can only have this mesh, it does come with a nice cushion, and that cushion is sort of like a thicker cushion and it's definitely removable for like winter or summer use. As you can see, it is quite soft, it's not too thin, it is padded. And what is great about it, it comes with a nice little pouch, and that pouch is going to sort of hook it on to the top, and then it comes with straps so that you can go ahead and strap it in. So as you can see, the pouch at the top is going to secure that cushion on this chair, and then you do have the little straps that you can go ahead, I believe there are 4 different straps to go ahead and secure that. And it comes with a nice headrest that is padded. It's also weather resistant, so I absolutely love this. You don't have to use this, but you can go ahead and just secure that at the back at any position. And it does come with Velcro straps. So because it's Velcro, it can go ahead and be adjusted. It also comes with a nice cup holder, so you can have 2 different drinks. You can even have those little slots for your devices, and it hooks on super easy to that foot metal part. It's easy to go on and easy to come off. And once you lean back, it actually doesn't move. So this is just sort of secure and level, so you don't have to worry about your drinks sort of moving. This chair is so comfy. It's good for winter, it's good for the beach, it's good for a lake, it's good for your backyard. And you don't just have to sit down. It has so much width, like space on the side, as you can see here, that you can go ahead and just lounge about. Again, I am 5'4", and this is a big sort of lounge chair, zero gravity chair that I absolutely love it. And because it is portable, you can take it wherever you want, even if you're camping or you're just going outdoors. So I do prefer this over my regular beach chair.